NBC's The Americas showcases stunning natural beauty. Stream all 10 episodes on Peacock, NBC's streaming service. Enjoy breathtaking visuals and captivating stories. Experience the wonders of North, Central, and South America. The Americas is available on Peacock. Start your free trial now and delve into the diverse ecosystems. Watch The Americas, NBC's captivating 10-part nature series. Explore the continent's diverse wildlife through stunning cinematography. Available now on Peacock. Immerse yourself in the beauty of The Americas. This 10-episode series on Peacock provides an unforgettable journey through nature. Subscribe today and begin watching. From majestic mountains to vibrant rainforests, The Americas is a visual feast. Peacock offers easy access to this incredible nature docuseries. Don't miss it. Uncover the mysteries of the American continents. NBC's The Americas on Peacock delivers 10 hours of nature's wonders. Start streaming today for an enriching experience. Discover the diverse wildlife and landscapes of the Americas. Peacock is the exclusive streaming home of NBC's breathtaking The Americas. Begin watching now. The Americas, a 10-part nature series from NBC, awaits you. Stream every episode on Peacock and explore the continent's extraordinary biodiversity. Explore the breathtaking landscapes and wildlife of the Americas. NBC's 10-episode series is streaming now exclusively on Peacock. Start your adventure today. Witness the raw beauty of North, Central, and South America. NBC's The Americas offers 10 episodes of stunning visuals on Peacock. Begin watching immediately. NBC's The Americas is a must-see for nature lovers. 10 episodes await on Peacock, showcasing captivating wildlife and breathtaking scenery. Stream it now. Journey through the diverse ecosystems of the Americas. Peacock offers convenient streaming of NBC's remarkable 10-episode series, The Americas. Watch today. Experience the incredible wildlife and landscapes of the Americas. The Americas, NBC's 10-episode series, streams exclusively on Peacock. Start streaming now. Dive into the stunning beauty of the Americas with NBC's new series. The Americas provides 10 episodes of captivating nature on Peacock. Watch them all. The 10-episode docuseries, The Americas, is a captivating journey. Watch it now on Peacock, NBC's streaming platform, for a stunning viewing experience. Explore the untouched wilderness and abundant wildlife of the Americas. NBC's The Americas is available to stream on Peacock. Don't miss this amazing series. From Arctic tundra to tropical rainforests, The Americas is an epic journey. Stream all 10 episodes of NBC's docuseries exclusively on Peacock. Watch it now. NBC's stunning 10-episode series, The Americas, is available on Peacock. Explore the natural wonders of the continent through breathtaking cinematography. Watch now. See the wonders of the Americas in NBC's captivating new series. All 10 episodes of The Americas are streaming now on Peacock. Begin your adventure. Experience the diverse ecosystems of North, Central, and South America. NBC's The Americas is an unforgettable 10-episode series on Peacock. Start streaming today. The Americas, a 10-episode nature documentary from NBC, is now streaming. Explore the continent's rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes on Peacock. Watch now. Don't miss NBC's spectacular 10-episode series, The Americas. Peacock offers exclusive streaming access to this unforgettable nature documentary. Start watching. NBC's The Americas offers 10 episodes of captivating nature. Stream it on Peacock for an immersive journey through the continent's diverse wildlife. Watch now. The Americas is a must-watch for nature enthusiasts. This 10-episode NBC series streams exclusively on Peacock, offering stunning visuals and captivating stories.